I can distance myself from it quickly. And this state of fusion is the outcome of automatism. That is to say, during the moment of fusion, we experience a domination of our brain's automatic thinking processes. No matter what you do now, if you do anything that you use your consciousness to use your head for, during that time, you are briefly outside the fusion, experiencing a state known as diffusion. You can interrupt the automatism by using your brain for something yourself. Writing down, as just indicated, has the best ratio of effort and result for me. You can also do other things. You can juggle with a running chainsaw. You can tie your partner's mobile phone to a pool cue and balance it on top. Do not take your own. If it falls down, it is broken. It would be stupid. You can do something. The main thing is that you use your brain. And the main thing is that it involves a certain effort, so that it is not so easy for you, and your brain can remain in automatic mode.